I'm ripping 9 packs of Magic, Avatar the Last Airbender cards. Welcome to Pile High Cards. I'm loving this set and excited to see more. This is pack 7 of 9. Let's rip it. We begin with a Spirit and Copy token. Forecasting Fortune Teller. Sandbender Storm. Rumble Arena. Origin of Metal Bending. Cunning Maneuver. Bender's Waterskin. Earth Rumble Wrestlers. Here's where it gets good. Northern Air Temple. Air Nomad Legacy. The Boulder, ready to rumble. Teo. Spirited Glider. And the rare. Beifong's Bounty Hunters. Followed by a foil Azula. On the Hunt. And a basic island. Not a bad pack at all. Let's keep going. Follow for pack 8.